Hello, traders. FpC&x here. Today is Thursday, August 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, in the pound yen monthly, I still think we're in a 1-2 wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C, and I'm really not even convinced this is over. I still think it's going to continue to make a wave 3, 4, and 5. I still believe the 100% Fibonacci extension is the most likely place for this to go, right at around the 203 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is a 1, a 2, and I still think this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. Now I do see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here, and we are at a fib extension level. So we really do want to keep an eye on this just in case we do end up making a bigger correction before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, it definitely resembles a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if this is a complete trend, then this would make a correction that would most likely go down and take out the low of wave 4 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So we definitely want to be aware of that as a possibility. Now, we don't know that that's how it's going to play out. This very easily could just make a small ABC correction, bounce off one of these fib levels, and continue the uptrend, which is why I have these fib retracements here so we can recognize if that is what happens. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely see what's impulsive down. I think this is corrective up, probably an A, a B, or maybe a 1 and a 2. We don't really know for sure. The next move down should tell us the story because if it goes down to a fib level, breaks structure in a big way at a Fibonacci level, we'll know it's a wave C and we'll know to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it really is a wave 3, then it'll probably bounce off some fib levels, but it'll never break structure and it'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. And if that's the case, then we definitely will want to go short the whole way down for the continuation of this big downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it kind of looked like we already had the end of an ABC here. To me, this looks like a big trend for a wave A. I do see 3 waves up right here, but for some reason I'm kind of doubting it. It kind of looks more like a wave A and maybe a wave B, and maybe we'll go up one more time for a wave C before we really do go down to finish a wave B or a wave 2, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. Now, this does look like what it should do, but I do see 3 waves right here, so I do see the possibility that it does just keep on going down. So if you do see any sorting opportunities, I would definitely take them, especially on these shorter time frames, because the trend is down, and it very easily could just keep on trending down really at any time. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.